YouTube. I'm back or whatever. Hi YouTube, my name is Micah London and welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm back on YouTube. I'm making that cash. I'm playing. YouTube ain't paying me yet. I'm hurt, but I'm back. I know I've been gone for a while. I've been gone for like what seems like 5 years. I haven't been on YouTube in a hot while. I'm back with a brand new video. So today I have a hair tutorial for y'all. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do these 2 hearts in your hair. They're super cute. I love these. I posted them on my Instagram. I'm gonna put pictures anywhere on the screen, but I posted these on my Instagram and people really love them because they're so cute. Like, they're just like little hearts. Like, oh, they're so cute. So I was like, well, one of my friends, her name's Tay, she came up, well, not came up to me, but she texted me and she was like, girl, you should do a YouTube video on this. I was like, you a genius. I love you. So shout out to you, girl. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do this hairstyle. Let's jump straight into the video. So what I do for this hairstyle, I have braids in and I put it in 2 ponytails. I stick 2 hairs out just to make it like I have bangs or whatever. So that's what I do. I don't know if you can do this on any other type of hairstyle. You can try a bit. I just personally do on box braids. So what you're gonna need is 2 rubber bands. 2 rubber bands. Well, of course you're gonna need a big rubber band to have your ponytail, or you can just do 1 ponytail. You can do whatever you want. I'm just showing you how to do the heart. So I have 2 hair ties and I'm gonna show you how to do the heart. So you grab 2 strands of hair from your ponytail, right? Do I want these strands of hair? Yeah, okay. So then you take your rubber band and you put it like near the middle, not the middle, but like right here. You see my fingers at like just a little bit of hair. Then you tie the rubber band right there. So once you have the rubber band in your hair, what you're gonna want to do is make like a heart shape like this. Like where the little point of the heart is, as you can see. You're gonna want to pinch that because that's where your next rubber band is going, and then you want to tie the tie around that. If I'm making sense, like I'm gonna show you again. You take this, you pinch it, and then you tie the rubber band right there so it can stay. Then usually what I do with the extra pieces of hair, I take it and I wrap it like in the back, and I take a part of the hair tie that ties up my ponytail. I pull it out and I just tuck the hair in so it could just be hanging out the back. And usually it will take some time to do the hearts because it's not really that easy because sometimes I struggle with it, and then you get a heart. So like I said, you tie it at the back. See, as you can see, it's right there. I tied it underneath my rubber band that ties up my ponytail, and I just like shape the heart how I want it. If I had thicker braids, this would be amazing. The hearts would be literally perfect, but I do not have thicker braids right now. My braids are kind of thin, but you're gonna wanna just shape the heart how you want it. And of course it'll take some practice and some time to perfect it, but that's okay. Then you get a heart. It's kind of lofty. Ugh, let me fix that. Like I was saying, you get a heart. So that's just like a little simple tutorial that you can do. You can do this for like a photo shoot. You can take pictures in this just to like, you know, do something cute, do something different. And yeah, it's just super cute. And those of you that were asking how I do this, is how you do it. And I'm gonna put a picture of the girl that started this whole trend, and she did the whole idea. because like she is a genius and I love her for this. Like, this is so cute. But I thank you guys for watching this video. It keeps falling to the side. So I fixed it. It's kind of, yeah, it's working. Anyway, it should turn out like this or like this. But anyway, I did my heart and it's super cute. So I just wanted to show you guys how I do this hairstyle, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. I'll be back with more, and I promise you this time I'll be back with more videos, because like I be lacking on y'all. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna be back on my grind. I'm back on my track. I'm gonna be, you know, making bank. I'm gonna be putting out content for y'all. You're gonna be like, oh my god, this girl popping. I'm like, Anyway, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Have a great day and God bless. Bye.